Hey everyone, Vince here. Today I'm going to show you 10 websites you can use right now to earn fast money on. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to show your support below. Let's kick this off. The first website is called Gamermine. Gamermine is a website where you can earn PayPal, Litecoin, and even Bitcoin by completing surveys, playing games, completing various offers on many offer walls, and even watching videos on Hideout TV. But the best thing is, they even have a leaderboard system where every single day and month you can earn free money for simply using Gamermine. The way the currency system breaks down on Gamermine is 10 coins equals 1 cent worth of USD currency. Gamermine will also reward you for playing games on Steam as well. I had surveys that would pay me around 50 cents to $1 to complete them. It also has its own reward system where you can use items to get earning bonuses. This is a very unique little feature I haven't really seen before either. To cash out PayPal, all you need is 50 cents earned everyone, but it does have a 25-cent processing fee. Litecoin has a 50-cent minimum with a 1-cent fee, and Bitcoin has a $3 minimum with a $1 fee. And let me remind you, these are the minimums, by the way. Last time I cashed out on Gamermine, they paid me out within 24 hours. I did have to verify that I owned my PayPal account though. All in all, a very solid little platform. Next on the list, we have GrabPoints. GrabPoints is one of these money-making platforms that you have to try out if you haven't done it yet. It easily has over 10 to 15 cash-out methods, including PayPal and Amazon. The minimum PayPal cash out on GrabPoints is $2 worth of currency, where essentially 1,100 or so of the GrabPoints currency converts into $1 worth of real cash. And you can easily generate this money within literally 20 minutes or so by simply completing one of the many earning methods. These methods include surveys that can pay you up to $5 worth of cash for 15 minutes of your time, over 5 different offer wall providers that you can go through to complete offers that will pay you a huge amount of cash for playing games or signing up to various applications and websites. You can even watch videos on GrabPoints as well to generate the GrabPoints currency. Although this is going to be much slower than completing a survey or offer, at least the method is there. You can watch the videos on either Hideout TV or Lootably. One of the best things about GrabPoints though is last time I reviewed it on my channel, I cashed out $35 on Amazon currency and I was paid literally within a few hours, everyone. It is a super good platform in my opinion. Just make sure you fill out the About Me section so then you actually get surveys and offers that suit your account. Always keep in mind when using any of these platforms on this video is that depending on where you live, your experience is going to be different, okay? I live in Australia, so that's why I get the pay rates I do. In your own country, you might get more or less than myself. But hopefully you can find some new ones today. Next up, we have GG2U. As soon as you join up to GG2U, you should get a $1 bonus. And this platform has a currency system where 100 coins equals $1 USD currency with a minimum cash out of $7 worth of cash. The cash out methods include PayPal, Coinbase, and various gift cards depending on where you live. They also have a golden ticket system where essentially you can spin a prize wheel to win instant prizes. You do need to cash out a minimum of 5 times though to unlock this feature, so keep that in mind. GG2U has some very high paying offers, including some that go all the way up to $164 to play games. You can also watch videos on there as well with Hideout TV, which then can be exchanged to earn even more money to your account balance. GG2U also features surveys that will pay you over $1, at least here in Australia. When completing offers though on GG2U, make sure you compare the offer walls to try and get the best price available. Payments on GG2U are processed within 24 hours usually as well. Next on the list, we have Keep Rewarding. Keep Rewarding is a money-making platform that has so many offer wall providers, it's absolutely crazy to me. In fact, I think it has more than I've ever seen on a money-making platform. Not only can you earn by entering into surveys, offer walls, watching videos, but you can also get paid to click on advertisements, complete tasks, enter into contests. It does feature various cash out options as well, and I found the PayPal cash out to be the best thing to do on there because all you need is $1 worth of PayPal in order to cash out on Keep Rewarding. It runs on a point-based system where 110 points or so equals $1 worth of USD. And like I mentioned everyone, you can easily earn this $1 worth of currency in literally minutes by completing a survey on there. The only problem I have with Keep Rewarding is that it does take up to 1 week to actually get paid, and the verification process can be quite annoying because you do have to verify you own your PayPal account. But other than that, it is a fantastic platform with so many different ways to earn. I can't even mention it today. Remember, I've reviewed every platform I've mentioned today on my channel, so go and check them out if you want to. You can find all the referral links, by the way, in the description of this video as well, so please keep that in mind, and please be sure to show your support below to help this video get seen around YouTube. You guys are incredible out there, thank you. Next up, we have Gain.gg. Gain.gg features various offer walls, survey providers, and even a video watching area to earn straight up real cash. On Gain.gg, 1,000 points equals $1 worth of cash, and you can withdraw PayPal, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Dash, Bitskins, and even Visa virtual cards. The minimum cash out for the Visa card though is 50 cents, Litecoin is also 50 cents, Bitcoin is $5, Dogecoin $1.50, Dash and Bitskins is 50 cents as well. PayPal on the other hand is a minimum of $7.50 everyone, so quite a high PayPal minimum, but the rest is extremely low. Although not the highest paying website by any means, I can complete surveys that can earn me up to $1 or so worth of currency at a time, and there are some offers that can easily earn you between $50 to $70, depending on where you live again. You can also earn coins by watching videos on Hideout TV through Gain.gg, which again is very cool. I was paid out instantly the last time I cashed out on Gain.gg, but they do have to verify your account by getting you to sign in on your mobile phone as well. This platform reminds me a lot of Free Cash, by the way, as they even have a leaderboard system where you can earn money every single day just by simply using Gain.gg. They even allow you to play a roulette minigame where you can literally gamble your coins. Again, a cool little website. Next on the list, we have Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie will allow you to earn straight up USD currency by completing surveys. And depending on where you live, you can either convert the points that you generate on Survey Junkie into either PayPal Cash or various e-gift cards. 100 points on Survey Junkie equals $1 worth of USD, and I can easily get that from completing one single survey. Something to keep in mind though about Survey Junkie is that the minimum cash out is $5 USD currency, and to actually redeem your earnings, you will need to verify your identity by providing either a valid US phone number or submitting a photo ID and a selfie to prove you are who you say you are, even for $5 worth of cash. And I don't like this about Survey Junkie personally, but I know there are some people out there that don't really care about submitting ID for money online. If you can look past that, Survey Junkie is a fantastic survey platform. They even have an extra earning opportunity called SJ Pulse, where you can allow Survey Junkie to monitor your online activity in return for better paying surveys. It is a 100% legit platform, but it might not be for everyone, but it still deserves a spot on the list. Next up, we have QMe. Probably one of the best ways to earn via surveys is the QMe platform. It allows you to cash out instant PayPal USD currency with literally no minimum, everyone, at least in my own experience here in Australia. They also allow you to cash out gift cards and even get shop back rewards as well. I can get surveys on QMe right now that will pay me up to $3 to $4 to complete. I can even play games on QMe and earn straight up currency, and I can easily earn up to $10 in one single hour with QMe. It probably is one of the most premium ways to earn online. The only problem is with QMe, everyone, is that it's very exclusive with the countries it selects. Some of the highest offers I've seen with gaming on QMe is roughly $50 to $60. The fact that you can even get cash back and deals for shopping makes it even better in my opinion. But that instant no limit PayPal cash out is the main reason why QMe has been featured on my channel for so long. Definitely check it out if QMe is allowed in your country. Next on the list, we have Feature Points. Feature Points is a money-making platform that allows you to earn points that convert into real cash by either completing surveys or completing offer walls through the 2 offer walls that are available. At least here in Australia, those are the offer walls I have. You can cash out Bitcoin, PayPal, and Amazon on Feature Points. The minimum cash out is $5 USD for 3,000 points, and I can generally find that I can earn those 3,000 points in roughly 2 hours or so. Amazon has a $5 minimum and Bitcoin has a $10 minimum. But again, depending on where you live, your experience will be different, of course. Something to note here about Feature Points is that sometimes your points that you earn can go into a pending status. This is because Feature Points actually runs reviews to see if you've done the right thing on their platform. I actually don't like this kind of pending point system. It's really frustrating, but I noticed it doesn't happen every time, and usually it's only when you try and generate a lot of money at once. Feature Points has paid me every single time within 2 days of cashing out on it, by the way, so keep that in mind. The choice is yours if you want to use it. Next up, we probably have one of the highest paying survey sites on the internet right now, and that's called Hey Piggy. Hey Piggy will allow you to earn legitimately up to $8 to $10 per survey depending on your country. Granted, those were the maximum paying surveys I saw. I also saw ones that were paying $3 to $2 on average. If Hey Piggy is available in your country, I highly recommend you join it to see what kind of prices you can get. It features multiple cash out options, including PayPal and many local shops in your country as well. The best thing is it has a $5 minimum cash out, so you can legitimately earn $5 in like 30 minutes and then cash it out and then receive it within 2 days. They may ask you though for identification, so please keep this in mind. If you're okay with that, you can seriously earn so much cash with it. This could legitimately be one of the best earning methods you can use for surveys online. Last but not least, of course, we have free cash, the probably #1 way to earn right now. This platform has grown so much over the few years I've seen it. I have to say, everyone, they have easily over 20 different cash out methods, a coin-based currency system where $1 USD currency equals 1,000 points, and you can easily earn this 1,000 points within about 15 minutes of using the platform from one of the many survey providers or offer wall providers featured on their platform. Free Cash has some of the highest prices I've seen as well online when it comes to offers. With so many different offer walls that you can go through to compare with, you really can't go wrong. And to make things even better, they feature instant payouts, everyone, which is fantastic. The minimum cash out on Free Cash for PayPal at least is $5 for 5,000 of the coins, okay? But have a look and see what's available in your country on Free Cash. I have a feeling you won't be disappointed. And even if you are, you have so many other earning opportunities on this video to look at. Be sure to leave me a comment below telling me what platform you're going to use and your experience with them, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another video. Stay safe out there.